Companies and industries with a branch network know the problem. Again and again, there are failures in devices and systems from different manufacturers. This not only affects customer satisfaction, it also costs time and money. Employees have to record the problem cases, find the manufacturer's contact details and the service contracts, and then repeatedly make calls or write emails. Not to mention the immense costs that a device failure generally causes. But what if all processes, damage reports, as well as communication with the service providers and the entire administration, including control of billing and costs, could be handled at the push of a button? This is exactly what omis 4.0 offers. omis 4.0 is a web-based and standardized software that has been specially optimized for the challenges of chain stores of all company sizes and can be used anytime and anywhere. The advantage: less lifecycle costs, more system availability, and lower administration costs. Would you also like to optimize your system management? Test our free demo version now or arrange a non-binding presentation online or directly on site.